mnonga aha abantu batari kwebasa abo mu byaro kandi rubire ruho obuhereza butari bumwe na bumwe oburiho okucebera omutima okucebera shukari okucebera mino okucebera sirimu okuhumuriza hamwe no kucebera kansa y'omunwa gwa nyinenda nkoku Dr. Dennis Agaba ari kushoborora.
First and foremost, important for us to come for treatment early. Many people came to the hospital today and they've been sick for a very long time. And the longer you take before you treat an illness, the worse it becomes. So please come for treatment early. Don't wait for weeks for you to come and get treatment. We had someone who had been sick for almost 3 weeks and had never come to get treatment. And that only made the condition worse. So please come for treatment early. 2, make sure you finish your medication which you've been prescribed. For those who have hypertension, diabetes, take your medicines regularly. We've had many people who have pressure, they take their medicine and they stop. Then they go for medicines and the pressure becomes worse. So once you've been prescribed, please be adherent. Take your medication every day as you've been prescribed.
Dr. Dennis ayongire yagira ngo batungire ombare muhango gw'abantu abijire bari kwenda obujanjabi ari kugira ngo bashangire abarwira binji nabine oburwire na n'umutima.
We're very grateful for the opportunity we had today to extend the services to the people of Kanungu. We have been able to discover very many illnesses. There's lots of hypertension, diabetes is on the rise. We have lots of UTIs among the women. There have been lots of cataracts, so eye problems, people who don't see very well. That's a big issue here that we have to be able to address as well. On the plus side, we have seen very few cases of malaria, which is a good sign that people are actually using mosquito nets and they're taking heed of the different things that they have. Yeah, there's also a lot of ulcers, or what we call peptic ulcer disease. That's also a very big, very common illness.
Matini masi atwongire hobira yebembire campaign nagira ngo eki bakakiteka honko muringo gumwe ogo kubasa kwiyaho rutindo ruhango orurwe byamagara ari kugira ngo abantu binjo mu byaro nibaba bino burwire ngukonka batari kubasa kubucebeza na no kubumanya.
Ntuhamya ntizabumizamu chikora buri mwaka ubwo buri muntu ngo kubanza konka twayege ikintu cyango munonga twanteka ntaxole twagaraka Kampala ntubasa kuteka maybe medical campaign tujikole enaku 2 akwa abantu baruga hale ikigenderwa no kugira ngo twatanise n'abantu bacyaro bajango bwigana amagarani go bwiga twatanise n'abantu bacyaro tule ntubasa kubagarura nkwitwa abana bakurira cyaro abazire bita bakurira cyaro tubagarureho tushunovo ari to bujanje bigwabusha rero kutwasa kwasiza mu magara gabo n'ibintu bakora.
Mbare mugisha myaka 68 ho mutaka wa Katete Town Council mu district ya Kanungu hagizire ngo campaign ebireriyo mugasho mnonga abo kushanga ngo atwira ino burwire bwinji watari kumanya ngo bita abo kushanga ngo abiratine na sente abatari kubasa okugenda mu irwaro kuraguza niko kusima abatebekaniso mukorogo.
Wali kurangira ngo abantu yishe mwirwariro byo kubayamba abari kwetenga kureba umusha twinshi kandi ubuzima naho nagenda shemerirwe abo kwa bashobora bakorera mana nagenda shemerirwe kandi nza kukira mwana nshasha ameno amaguru ibintu kugana shemerirwe kwa bashobora nabo kandi byo nababikora kandi kinye bari gukorera nyaka bakoziba bakorera nabandi bona bashemererwa.
Moses Kabagambe ho myaka 82 nawo mutaka wa Chihi Town Council mu district niyemwe na wazengwa twire na shashe chufuba kumaro mwaka ngubita biratine masiko go kutunga obujanjabi ahabo kushanga nkwabiri hatariho sente
abwo buhereza ubu abana bamuze masane batireho nabwo cyo nabushemerererwa okurugiro kunabireba runoja ngo abasha ubona bagumana batukorera nkebi ibintu bikaboniye.
Mugabe Ramadan ow'emyaka 5 na mushanju kurwo muri Kambuga asimire abatebekanise campaign ari kugira ngo atwira ineho burwire obwabira atari kwetegereza ngo bitamuherwa byona bwatungirwa ombazi
batebekanise zo mukoro abo kuba okutebekanise omukoro ubwo kuyiha abantu ishonda neshonda bambe n'amazima nindeba n'enjura itakabasa kwika umwanya gwena hine abatunga ubuhereza kandi hine n'abataka butungire kunka nabo ubundi tibakagayirwe kuba ndi kureba abacaherereza abacakorera abantu bagumizaho abantu guhereza kuza kubayika.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Kabanza omuri Kanungu.
Kun gogati